Hello everyone. Today we are going to make lentil soup and lentil fritters. So lentil is the theme today, right? It's going to be, I have soaked lentil. I also have dried lentil. And the dried lentil will be for the soup. I don't need to soak it overnight. This is what a dried lentil is actually. It comes in a bag. And this is from the Indian store. Used a little bit one time. But that's what we want, right? This is the red lentil. Also sold in ShopRite and stuff like that. And then we have the soaked lentil, which I'm going to make into fritters. And this is going to be fun because this is something, it's awesome for a rainy day. That's getting cooked. I'm going to finish it off after the soup is done. I'm going to actually, and it doesn't say it in the recipe most probably, right? You can finish it off, it just says mustard oil most probably in the soup. Or does it? Let me check. So I'm going to chop them, I'm going to fine dice them as a topping to that, right? And I'm going to, yeah, it's all a topping. It's at the end to mix them together. So brown works, but brown will have a little different taste because it has the skin on, right? Anything, yeah, anything which has a skin on has it, like even potatoes. I love potatoes cooking with the skin on. It has a different taste to it, right? So this will be smoother than the ones with the skin on. But yes, skin on works perfectly too. And this soup, you'll see, will come out yellow because of the turmeric, right? And I have seen this soup, funny enough, in Lebanese places. The lentil soup they serve is very similar to this one. So I don't know why that is, but must be that's where it came from. Or maybe it, cuisine always transfers, so it transfers from here to there. Okay, let's see how it came out.
Oh, look at that.
All mushed up.
Oh, it came out nice.
You don't need more water. So the water content is, this is how it looks.
Very nice.
Okay? No, you don't need to. This is fine. Okay? It's not meant to be thick. No, it's supposed to be a thin soup. It's a soup, right? So definitely not thick. So, and then all I'm going to do is add the mustard oil. And how much mustard oil did I say to this one? 2 tablespoons. So you get a lot of mustard oil on this because that's the flavor, right? We can serve directly from here. So this is what's going to flavor it. I have to taste. What's it? This is done. Yeah, cooking over. We are in step 2, yes. Maybe this will work. Yeah. It has to be a thick batter because you want to make fritters out of it. So what I have also done, which is not written there, is I got a little bit of semolina. So if it doesn't become, if the batter is too thin for it to blend, like after for the blending need, I need more water. I'll add the water and then I'll add semolina to make it to the right consistency. Okay.
Did you say semolina?
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
semolina.
it's semolina or cream of wheat, anything, or cream of rice, anything. You can add those. Or if you like corn, you can add corn. Anything to thicken it, basically. Right, but don't add cornstarch. Back to business. Thank you, Cynthia. So got blended, thankfully. I'm going to test to see if, and you know, a little lentil there doesn't matter, it's fine. I just have to see if it's, see, it's too light. See how light this is? I'll add some semolina to it. And for 1 cup, I'm going to add, because of the water, right? This is not the consistency I was looking for. So I'll add this amount of semolina to that, which is cream of rice, cream of wheat, right? Anything will work. This was 1 tablespoon. Okay. And then 1 tablespoon poppy seed, like it says. 1 teaspoon turmeric. White is very creamy. It's not husky. So let me start the oil also. This is going to be deep fried, by the way. And I said grapeseed oil because it has the highest heat point, but we're going to use vegetable oil today. Okay, that's on. That's 800. Okay. One teaspoon of salt, but this grain salt I'm looking at, I'm like, this is too much salt. I'm going to do half of it, okay? Because salt also varies depending on the kind of salt, right? I think I gave half a teaspoon salt here. And I'm going to use Scotch bonnet. I know many people don't like it, but it's not as bad. Lucy had it last time. I was just checking the garden today. I got like marigolds coming out, and I didn't plant them for a long time. It just self comes out, right? It grows by themselves. I have marigold. I have impatiens, the double leaf ones. Impatiens are like not the flat ones. This is the double one. Yeah. So if you want some, it grows like weed at this point. So the fennel I just weeded out because it was so many fennel plants coming out. No, this is from the tree that came back, a plant. So the plant comes back too. This is from the plant that came back. So I'm mixing them all, and the oil should be hot enough that I'm going to start adding it. Oh, I forgot the fennel. See, after talking, completely forgot about the fennel. That's what happens, right? I put the turmeric because the turmeric bowl is empty. That's how I know I put turmeric. See, now I have the tricks on. No, the water was the soaked water. Then I added the semolina to make it thicker. To keep it so that the consistency now, see how thick this is? This is the right thickness, right? And I added the poppy seeds. I added everything, I think. So a good stir. If the oil is hot enough, I don't need 800, I need 400. So I don't think it goes below 8. I think it does. 464. Oh, 800 is 464. Okay. I didn't know that. I might be able to keep it. Okay, good. I need 350. That's it. Yeah. I'm getting to like the oven now after after struggling with it for so long. So this is my trick because I don't like messy hands. Okay, it dropped before I wanted to, but yeah, it's very small. It's like little pieces, and you're going to have it like an appetizer. So, yep, cute, right? This will become golden brown. That's when you need to take it out, right? So I'll show you the way my mom used to make it too, because she would take her hands, and we did this for almost everything. Okay, after this batch, You dip your hand and you do 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, like, and it becomes round balls. Instead of this one is kind of a little long because I just dropped it. But end of the day, it's dirty hand versus like a little elongated. Depends on where I'm going to taste one to make sure the salt level is right because I haven't tasted it. It's a little light on salt, so if you want, put a little more. I think the 1 teaspoon salt is perfect for the recipe. Okay, this one's ready. Yeah, the ginger would make a little difference, not a lot though. I know, I actually am trying to. I might have a ginger plant coming out, I'm not sure. The pearl onions, and this one's done. Off, off, off. Okay, good. Now I know how to turn it off too. Isn't that fun?